Now here the question is, find x satisfying this equation, greatest interior function of tan inverse of x plus greatest interior function of cot inverse of x equals to 2. Now we know that range of tan inverse of x is minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2, and a range of cot inverse of x is from 0 to pi. So the possible values of greatest interior function of tan inverse of x, they are minus 2, minus 1, 0 and 1. So we have 4 values. And greatest interior function value of cot inverse of x, it will be 0, 1, 2 and 3. So we have 4 possible values for greatest interior function of cot inverse of x also. Now we need their sum to be 2. Now this sum, it can be 2 when case 1, when greatest interior function of cot inverse x, it is 3, and greatest interior function of tan inverse x is minus 1. Second case, when greatest interior function of cot inverse x is 1 and greatest interior function of tan inverse x is also 1. And then finally, this third case, when greatest interior function of cot inverse x is 2 and greatest interior function of tan inverse x is 0. Now we need to find simultaneous solutions for these conditions. Now cot inverse x equals 3 means a value of cot inverse, it should lie between 3 and 4. Now cot inverse, it is a decreasing function. So we'll take cot, then sine will decrease. So we'll get cot 3 is greater than equal to x is greater than cot 4. And here, when the value of tan inverse x is minus 1, that means value of tan inverse of x, it should lie between minus 1 and 0. If we'll take 10, so we'll get minus tan 1 is less than equal to x is less than 0. Now we need to find simultaneous solution of these two conditions. And for that, we'll need to compare the values of cot 3 and minus tan 1. And what we'll do is, we'll draw the graph of tan inverse of x and we'll draw the graph of cot inverse of x. So for tan inverse, we have asymptotes at minus pi by 2 and plus pi by 2. That is the graph of tan inverse of x. So this is minus pi by 2 and this is plus pi by 2. And then for the graph of cot inverse, we have asymptotes at 0 and pi. Now these two graphs, they'll intersect at 1 and this value is pi by 4. Now if we'll draw a line at 3, this point is cot 3, and if we'll draw a line at minus 1, this point is minus tan 1. So clearly cot 3 is less than minus tan 1. So this first interval is from cot 4 to cot 3 and this second interval is from tan 1 to 0. So there is nothing common between the two intervals. So in the first case, there is no simultaneous solution. Now for the second case, when cot inverse of x is equal to 1 and tan inverse of x equals 1. So in this case, cot inverse, it will lie between 1 and 2 and tan inverse will also lie between 1 and 2. Now here, if we'll take cot, so we'll get cot 1 is greater than equal to x is greater than cot 2, and here tan 1 is less than equal to x is less than tan 2. Now we'll need to compare the values of tan 1 and cot 1. Now we'll draw a line at 1. Here we'll get tan 1 and just before this one we'll get cot 1. So value of cot 1 is less than value of tan 1. So this first interval is from quad 2 to quad 1 and the second interval is from 10-1 to 10-2. There is nothing common again between the two intervals. So for the second case also, we'll get no solution. Now we'll come to this third and final case when the value of cot inverse of x lies between 2 and 3 and the value of tan inverse of x lies between 0 and 1. Now in this case, we'll get this as cot 2 is greater than x is greater than cot 3, and here we'll get this as 0 is less than x is less than tan 1. So we already have tan 1. Now we need to figure out cot 2. Now we'll take cot 2. Now 2 will be greater than pi by 2. So cot 2, it will again be less than 0. So in this interval again, we are having values in the negative x, and the second interval is between 0 and tan 1, which is on the positive side. So again, we do not have any common value between the two intervals. So here again, we have no solution. So this equation, greatest integral function of tan inverse x plus greatest function of cot inverse x equals 2, it doesn't have any solution. So answer to this question is no solution.